I've been pushing work all summer.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Danielle. This is gonna be a very quick video. I'm gonna show you how I make my my protein shake with a little bit of collagen. So good for me, you know, so good for your skin. Guys, this is, I'm telling you, it's the anti-aging recipe, trust me. All right, so just a little bit of water. I don't overdo the water. I'm just gonna put maybe about 6 ounces of water inside. And I'm just gonna mix my whatever protein mix that I wanna use. There's a vanilla protein mix. Any brand will do the trick, so it doesn't matter. Drop that scoop in. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a scoop of my collagen inside. Just 1 tablespoon. It's that simple. Mix this bad boy up. I can smell the yumminess already. And I have my ice in my little jar already with a straw, and that is it. Simple recipe on how I go ahead and mix my protein mix up with my collagen. You can't lose, guys. If you're not trying this, then you're missing out on something. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, share this video with a friend or two, and remember, y'all, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, ciao.